My people, I don't bring you a matter from another prophet, I be apostle. These people no go kill us for this life where we come. This one now bringing, oh no. He say, all of una, in fact, all of una we no say una marry, una be men. Now una matter be this. So he say all the husbands wey dey for this life, we una no say una dey enjoy. That's it, that cucumber. When your wife dey, you understand? I beg, small children if they watch, we cannot use English talk up. He say all of una wey dey enjoy am. Now just one message he pass. So he say all of una be gay. No be me talk, I know they look, I know they like this kind of look una they give me. Now the man, I be put the man picture there, maybe they see, because as they know they see the man, it be like say na me they talker. Now him be that. He say all of una wey they enjoy that thing, wey una wife they give una they enjoy am. Say all of una don't turn gay by fire by force. And this man where they talk about his name now Apostle Sarkodie. Our Ghana. According to this man, he said the only thing where they make married couple happy and sexually active now to they do oral sex. Now the only thing now where married people they enjoy inside marriage, say now the only thing where they make them they live happily ever after. Yay! I bet who do this thing to us? No, who do us this thing? Who do us this thing? Because I not just don't understand. Everybody now gets something to talk about. Everybody now gets one, because it be like say now, in fact, I agree with them. You see this social media, it be like say they really need to close them. Because as long as say people don't say they get phone, when the phone get camera, when the phone get internet, they go just wake up, say okay, oh, make I just do this thing, I feel like to talk. I bet who will offend? If you not say we offend you, because talk now, I go even start the apology. I beg, we are sorry. In fact, I don't start safe. We are sorry, because forgive us. If we've offended you, forgive us. Because this thing, you don't go off hand though. Before you know, now we will start to see people enter streets. These days, hey, nah, man, nah, papa, man, hey. I don't even know who can be pastor. I don't even know who no can be pastor.
Hey, actually, gays, ne? Enti so we obaneti now do bema show banu mu a na che say we bari man we gay indirect what should that for ba beto them.
Everybody now they call himself pastor. Everybody una wey they watch me, in case una no know me, I be pastor too. No look me, because everybody don't start, so why my own go come be different? Because from now pastor aproko now my own be this, because I not just understand. Anywhere you go, they don't plenty. In fact, they don't even pass this thing. What thing? Of all messages, everybody, no, una not even notice this thing. Everybody where they come out now, they bring something wey concern that thing, gundus or this one or garden or that one. Everybody where they come out, any of their messages, this thing they involve inside. I don't blame her. In name already don't talk everything. Apostle Sarkodie, your name alone, obedi pom baby. Make una dey careful places where una dey go, una dey call say na church una dey enter. Before una go end up for obedi pom baby church. Very, very important, because now this one no be only him don't come out talking, because okay, for una way maybe una just dey join us. Make I give una just short list. The first one wey come, they come they tell us say man wey lick woman, say you no go prosper for this life. That one na one Ghanaian prophetess. Now the other one wey come, he tell us say if you be 21 where your oranges don't fall, say your bright price go reduce to 200 cedis. Then the other one come again, they tell us say your garden, ladies, your garden go perish with you. This one now don't come again, come they tell us say men wey they enjoy that thing where their wife they do them, they be gay. Hi. I notice something. All these people who I just talk about, they come from Ghana. Why? No, why? I mean, I don't notice all of them like this, they come from Ghana. This one no be say I mix something up or I decide one country. All of them like this na from Ghana. Abeg because why? Wetin dey happen for Ghana? Our fellow Ghanaians, we no dey. Make una start dey tell me I need know wetin dey happen. Because this thing no dey normal. Something don dey go on for Ghana. No. Something dey. But una suppose trust me. Hey, I go still get me the reason. That reason why all these things, people dey come outside, pastors, they talk about this thing. I go soon get am. Una suppose trust me by now. Make una dey careful. Dey careful. I dey repeat this thing every day wey I sit down here. Make una dey careful. I go soon leave church for these people. Church matter. I go soon leave am for them. I go wash my hand, comot am. Tomorrow na the only one wey remain. Another one too go come. Come dey tell us say don't marry. Say marriage na distraction. E no dey hard una. Small thing like this. See, and this thing I don notice am. See, everybody dey dream when e dey sleep. The only difference be say sometimes we dey sleep. When we sleep we dey dream, but when we wake up we dey forget am. Some people no be laughing matter. Make una no dey laugh. Some people if they just sleep now, they wake up. They can't remember say they dream. Listen, maybe the dream be say for the dream person dey give them food. Hey. Wahala go wear both straight that day. Just because say they dream, say the person give them food, they go come internet do video. All of you should stop eating. If you are sleeping and you are eating in your dream, it is a sin. It is a na just example they give una. Any small thing wey they see, they go come turn am to everybody matter. My brother, you chop for dream wey the thing affect you. No mean say I no fit chop for my dream because I like eating in my dream. Hey, make the food dey very hot with cold juice. And they chop well. So see, it depends on everybody mind. Abeg, no una dey carry una own dey pour for him. Na by force. Hey, my brothers in the house. Now own a bring go. So if you know say, because even as advance I dey talk, I dey sure say some people still dey in that action mood. Abeg make una stop and lis ten to me now. Hey you, I dey talk to you. Stop that thing, lis ten to me. This message na for you. So if you know say you dey enjoy this thing, I don give you the reason, the matter wey this man don send me for. So any other thing wey una get to talk, not to me no be me talk am, to the man. Still drop am for that comment section. You go reach am. Una suppose know me by now. You understand? So make sure say you also share this video so that everybody for Ghana go hear me. They need to know. See, make everybody for Ghana start to open their eye because this thing now is alarming. The reason why many of them now don't they come, they talk about the same thing. It is very alarming. So share this video. They need to know wetin dey happen. And make sure say you subscribe. That one dey very important too. If not, how you go get all these hot things? You go dey miss them all. Stay tuned for our next story.